Pulled from the shallows, the colony is now at the mercy of the flood. Holding tight to the larvae and keeping their queen hidden at the centre of the raft, the colony drifts into deeper water, where they're vulnerable to fish that now swim through the flooded forest. Those that lose their grip must get back to the safety of the raft. With jaws that join to become a surgical needle, this pond skater could suck an ant dry. But together, the colony is strong, and it's time to repel borders. The ants can travel like this for weeks. They've even come to depend on the flood to carry them to new feeding grounds. At last, the ants can make their raft secure. Surging forward, they claim their new home, evicting current tenants without hesitation. One of the first to safety is their larval queen, carried from the heart of the raft. This palm will be their home for the next 3 months, until the floodwaters recede and they can head back underground.